Oh yeah, this thing's cooking up great. Look at how fast that cooked all that up. Everybody, it looks like my egg is done. Let's go ahead and take the egg out. There you go, that's good enough for me. And there it is, check it out. Crispy bacon, sausage links, eggs, and a little bit of toast. This is from the company GSI Outdoors. It has a little bit of variety of stuff in there. We'll open it up and look at it. And then I decided to go ahead and pick up a spatula here. This is the pivot spatula, also from GSI. And you can kind of see some of the specs on this thing. It's 10.5 inches long. Its dimensions is 6.8 by 2 by 1. And it only weighs 1 ounce. So that's a 1 ounce spatula. And then the dimensions on this thing is, it's a 1-person 6-piece. It's 14 ounces of this whole thing is just 14 ounces. So that's less than 15 ounces right there for your entire cooking set right there. Plate, cup, and cutlery set. You know what? Enough talking. Let's just open this thing up. Always get the little next tool here. There's not much to this thing. Check it out. You just spin it open like that. It has a little hook right there for hanging up. It's got a cutter on this back side. You can see it's like a little nard, kind of serrated grip cutter. An opening in the middle, and it's pretty sharp for scraping. That feels solid, everybody. Look at that. When it's opened up, that feels pretty solid. And then I guess you got to unlock it here. Yeah, so it does have a little lock mechanism that locks it into place right there. Then just like that. So there's our spatula. Oh man, another zip tie. Okay, so let's open this thing up. Very cool. That's like a wooden, that's actual wood. That's real wood, everybody. Very nice touch on that. A little mesh bag here. It seems you get, oh, it's got the Glacier there. So let's open it up. Very nicely packaged the way they packaged it here. Very solid package, that's for sure. I love these little pots right here. This is great for soup, for boiling water, or a wide variety of things. My number one thing for this stuff is soup, making water for coffee. Very solid looking plate. And then a set of, oh, I like how they did that too. And you could see on the side, this is 18 by 8 stainless. They're all labeled. Very nice. This has got that serrated edge on the knife for cutting. That'd be great for cutting steaks or anything like that. And then you get a spoon and fork. And these things feel very solid, everybody. I like how they put the holes in them to kind of lighten them up, but they'll last pretty much forever. Everything is labeled, has a nice look to it. Yeah, I will be using all of this stuff on my travels. So yeah, this is something I recommend for anyone that's doing any type of backpacking or kind of like traveling, picnicking, or anything like that. And a nice, neat package. And I think I can put more in here. I'm going to put some more in that little bag. So there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, the stainless steel meal set. See you all in the next video.